Photoshop. Add in some sensitive blur and contrast effects. A blurred photo will help to achieve even fill in color, and the contrast will help to define the structure details. So I take the enhanced photo and move it so it's the top layer. Then I lock it in order to preserve the original image without accidentally modifying that layer. All my new artwork will be drawn under this image. For each object as a basic, I take the cycle, because I find that it is better to start with simple shapes and then gradually adding points for better control movements within the form. This gives added volume. The mesh will be correct and the color mixing will be smoother. Creating a gradient mesh. Define the center of an object. Usually I take the nose as a center point for a portrait or face. Add the mesh points on the line of the eyes and mouth. We will need to correct the shapes that are automatically added in, from the oval to face.